Hey guys, it's Dr. Jack, and I just finished up a long day of social distancing and momming the heck out of our two little girls, and I'm finally winding down for the night. And since we can't get out and do our normal things, I thought I would share with you my DIY at-home nighttime skincare regimen because I started using this regimen as a natural option when I was pregnant and nursing my babies, and I've just kept it up since then because I've got so many compliments on my skin. I'm just going to stick with it. And so if you're like me and you like that natural skincare or you can't get in to get your normal products, check out this recipe that I made on my own down below. It basically is a cold pressed jojoba oil, a sweet almond oil, some organic essential oils. In this batch, I'm using lavender and frankincense. I love the lavender because it's a gentle scent, smells nice, and it's also really relaxing for nighttime. And these are all anti-aging products. They're really great for your skin. They don't cause breakouts or block your pores. And like I said, ever since I've been using it, people have been commenting, so I'm going to keep it up because I like it and it smells nice and it makes me feel relaxed when I'm getting ready for bed. You could also play with different options for essential oils and ingredients and come up with a mix that you like for yourself. More energizing ingredients like orange essential oils and things like that. So I hope you enjoy. Check it out. Try your own. Like and comment on this video and let us know what you tried and what you liked. Have a good day. Stay safe and healthy.